Uy! Maano ni mo dira ah? Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Ryan and welcome back po sa akong video, no? Hi guys, kumusta naman ang Hi guys, no? Hi guys, welcome back po sa akong video, no? So, karon na video na aming ipakita sa inyo kung unsa na po yung nahitabo last week sa amo.a or katong last month. Wala ko pala kay Dugayyy na po wala ka-upload, no? So, among video kay Gel blaster na siya, no? Gel blaster, pero ang among video na siya connection sa guns. Kay ang among video ron kay nag-shooting may kauban sila Inday, sila EG, sila Albert, sila Butik, sila Dudong. Daghan may kauban. So, mo ni ang amo ang video karon. So, tanawan niyo guys. Bye.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit. Coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all.
Firing in the forest.
And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Boy, grabe oh. Oh? Pwede mana dong? Grabe oh, bullseye boy. Grabe, muli na mi.
Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game.
Pilit gun.
To play to claim a brand new name, oh. I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. We all got dreams, all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe?
Nag-firing meron pero maghilam naman mi kay para makakonsentrate sila. Sa ulaw pad mi kay daghan mi kauban. So, nindot kaya mong pag-firing rin, no. Nasamad siya guys kay sa plates, kay hait man to. Naadre sila Albert, tura sila Buting, sila Inday, sila Dudong, sila EG. Try lang may pusil-pusil. Kay Sunday man ron. Happy Sunday man ron. Happy Sunday guys. Sabay sila tulog pusil karon.
Hello guys, nasa Agni. Then nagigutom man mi. Pag only rice daw may anak ko.
Hi guys, ibang gutom hindi ka nag-firing, no, against the world. So guys, naman namin firing, no, so gutom na kayo mga 16 hours ko wala ka sa kagabi. Naggutom kayo na ano namin dire sa only rice. Dire sa Father's Day. Ano sa Father's Day?
Tita fans.
Tita fans. Yes. 3, 5, 1, 8, 1, so. Oy! Naman mo dira guys. So kung may kaon nato no kay gutom may gikan og kanang shooting. So ang karon sunod ani kay pagkahapon nato nang adto mig secluded nag-relax lang mi. Then nagligo sila magdagat nga pa sa ni Inday kahuman nagkuanda yan nag-video mi Mr. Unsa nagkuan mi chillax lang ng mga music na mga vlog o atong giisip na ko. So tanawan ninyo ang akong video dito while nag-shooting ko dire. So tanawan ninyo guys. Ay! So guys, nakabisita na namot na si Motmot. Hi Mot!
Hi guys.
So, mo na to akong video na. Please like and subscribe. And thank you sa pagtanaw. Bye! Sir